5 people shot at bar in St. Elizabeth, 2 succumbed to their injuries. Hi again and
welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. It was a bloody Friday the 13th in Black River, St. Elizabeth, as 5 people were shot, 2 fatally at a bar by unknown assailants in Spring Park in the parish capital, Black River. The deceased has been identified as 38-year-old Marlon Gager, a shop operator of Spring Park, Black River, St. Elizabeth, and 34-year-old Samantha Johnson, a bartender of Spanish Town, St. Catherine address. 3 other persons were shot and injured during the incident and have since been hospitalized. Reports are that around 9:40 p.m., Gager and Johnson were among patrons at a bar when they were pounced upon by gunmen traveling on foot who opened fire, hitting them multiple times. Police were alerted and they were taken to the hospital, where Gager succumbed to his injuries and also Johnson succumbed to her injuries while undergoing treatment. The police in St. Elizabeth are investigating the matter and have not yet established a motive for this latest homicide in the parish. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.